Sunday, 21st September 2025, the last full day of summer. Fall officially comes in tomorrow, about 2:30. Lindale, Georgia. We'll do a walk and talk. Lindale was established around 1896 around the Massachusetts cotton mill when it was founded. At present, there are about 4,662 residents. The elevation of Lindale, Georgia is 666 feet. Oh my! The land square area, surface area, is 5.6. Water surface area is 0.1. You would think it would be more than that, with all these creeks running through here. But anyway, this will be the introduction, and then the rest of the video will follow. I've increased the resolution on this camera, so it may take a while to upload. Just in case you wonder what lead-based paint looks like, just peel you off some of that. Sunday, the 21st September 2025, the last full day of summer. Lindale, Georgia, across from the mill in the parking lot. We have walked upstream. We're going to walk down here to the creek. We could run across some homeless people. Would not be a surprise. We can't see the mill hardly at all from here. I guess this is as far as we'll go. Looks like the creek is backed up a good ways for the mill pond. Oh, there's some pretty nice fish. I ought to throw the hook in the water here. I don't know if you can see them or not. Pretty nice fish. Here comes some quacks wanting some bread. Bread will kill ducks. Don't be feeding them bread. Okay, let's walk back down here to the mill. Now here's an example of the type of grasses I like to get for our autumn arrangement. Again, not a flower bouquet or an autumn bouquet. That's what girls do. I make an autumn arrangement. Look at the poison ivy. I tell you what, if you want to itch, if you've got an itch to itch, this would be a place for you to come and lay down and roll over and wallow in it a little bit. This patch right here, just look at this. Look at this. Just lay down out there, roll over, roll around, pull your britches down, sit down on it. Oh, look look at those little green berries. Get you some of those berries, make a tea out of them. Oh, folks, don't do what I say, that's for sure. Man alive. Look at the quackers coming up here wanting something to eat. Look at them running. I'll tell you what, how many of these things did I swallow as a kid? Get up in the mimosa tree and eat those things like they're candy. They don't have a flavor, just eat the seeds. They, we don't have anything for you guys. I'm sorry. Quack, 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 quack. 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 Quack, quack, quack. Quack. Quack, 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 quack. Watch where you step, folks. Oh, you crazy ducks. Geese. Watch where you step. We increased the resolution on this camera, on this phone. There's no telling how long it's going to take to upload these videos. They have special goose and duck food here for $1. Red Kills waterfowl. Oh, yourself. Quack, quack. On the other side of the pond over there is where we saw the muskrat, and that may be one of his entrances over there on the hill. Making a kind of crazy noise at us. Crazy goose, duck, quack, quack. That's a neat little scoot bike thing there. Turtles just went in the water. Okay, we're going to wrap this up. I said we increased the resolution on this camera. There's no telling how long it's going to take to upload. We'll get the video ready and hopefully we can get 5G somewhere and start uploading it. I don't know how long it'll take. And we got to figure out where we're going from here. Cave Springs, the locks, the Coosa River, or where, we don't know.